Hey everyone! Today we will solve famous sayings quiz. Ready? Let's begin. Only put off until tomorrow what you are willing to die having left undone. The answer is Pablo Picasso. Believe every human a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. The answer is Neil Armstrong. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Subscribe. The answer is Walt Disney. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. The answer is Albert Einstein. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. The answer is Dr. Seuss. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. The answer is Oprah Winfrey. The Two most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you find out why. The answer is Mark Twain. We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. The answer is Winston Churchill. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Subscribe. The answer is Nelson Mandela. Our bodies are our gardens. Our wills are the gardeners. The answer is William Shakespeare. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but it is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. The answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Logic will get you from A to Z. Imagination will get you everywhere. The answer is Dalai Lama. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. The answer is Martin Luther King. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.